Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Suzuki GSXR600 Supersport. This bike arrives in beautiful condition, 23,000 miles. It's got heated electric grips, smoke windscreen. Come on by, make your Supersport dreams come true. It's got the frame sliders, Brembo brakes, only $87.99. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.